I'm Alexander from Renee of Paris. Today I'd like to talk to you about this gorgeous new topper. This is the High Heat Mid Wavy Topper from the Alexander Couture Collection. This is a lace parted topper and it is high heat, and we have this amazing, very fashionable curl at the moment, which is not so much a curl, not so much straight. We've got that gorgeous, lovely, trendy wave. We can see we've got that curl running throughout. Looks just fantastic. Very on trend. Nice light wearable topper. The High Heat Mid Wavy Topper has a nice cap which has a lace part. She has 3 large clips for securing and is made with high heat fibre.